आज जो हुआ है that will shake the core of the Indian investors and the mutual fund industry. Mr. Atanu Chakrabarti, who is the part-time chairperson and the manager of the HDFC Bank, has served his resignation. And what will shake you to the core is the reason why he has resigned. He has stated that whatever is happening in the HDFC Bank for the past 2 years does not align with his ethics and his values. Now, if you remember listening to most of the top investors in India, HDFC Bank used to be their favorite, and most of them have bought it even during the IPO round. And I'm sure you must have heard of those stories where people have got multi-bagger returns in HDFC Bank. So इतने सालों का जो confidence था एक investor का HDFC Bank में, because of the top management pedigree and the integrity of that company, आज वो black swan day आ चुका है when the investors confidence and trust in one of the top companies in India has been shaken to the core. 13.5 crore की market cap है guys HDFC Bank की, where 37% is held by the Indian mutual funds. And now Mr. Chakrabarti, when he raises question on the integrity of HDFC Bank, well, God knows what is cooking in that bank. I am so skeptical of what is coming next. All right, so comment down below and let's have a conversation of what you think about the HDFC Bank and what has happened today as a black swan day for the Indian investors.